Bye, bros. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Very good morning for me. It's 4:25 a.m. in the morning. I got ready by 3:30, which is approximately about 3:40, 3:45. As usual, my group is known for not keeping up time, which is alright because I'm quite used to this. I have no other option. I'm sure the dogs will start chasing me. I'm not scared. The reason why, because I don't have the 6 hours. 6 hours is resting nicely at home.
The bikes are here. The newest bikes, the KTM, Suzuki, and two noise-making bikes, 900 and Benelli, and the RC390. This is also a new bike. And this is Interceptor, and this is R3.
Alright guys, so done with the puja in the temple, so heading towards Kanyakumari. So that's the map. The ETA shows about 10 hours 11 minutes, 671 kilometers. Right, there goes the lead. Oh, everyone left. I'm the last one. Let's go, boys. So we just came about good about 73 kilometers, and wanted to show this amazing sky, a beautiful view. And honestly speaking, there's a reason why we say nothing is beautiful than nature. Mother Earth, absolutely delight to see this, man. Very, very, very beautiful. So there goes Mohan. And rest of the guys, I think they're cruising about 140, 150 for sure. So I will increase the pace once it becomes more brighter. Man, look at this, man. So beautiful. I'm sure I'm getting goosebumps, honestly speaking. I'm very sure that this bike is going to take me for more places. There goes Tilak, the another ADV in the group. So we got it together bike. So yeah. Hey guys, so we came and we reached to Madurai. So I came from the other way around. So just parked it here so that the guys won't get confused. So the plan is to have lunch. It's around 2:20. We'll have lunch and then eventually leave. That's the plan.
எடுக்கிறாப்புல பாஸ் போடுறேன்.
10 வண்டி வரும்.
10 வண்டி வரணும். அப்போ நான் கிரவுண்டில் போடுறீங்களா?
எங்க
10 வண்டி கிரவுண்டில் போடுவேன். நம்ம கிரவுண்டில்
நீங்க முன்னாடி வைக்கலாமா?
நம்ம அப்போ கேபிட்டு வந்து எடுத்துருவாங்க.
என்னன்னா இது இருக்குல்ல, அதனால தான் லக்கேஜ் இருக்குல்ல. So this is the place. சார் 10 பேருக்கு ரூம் புக் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அபிஷேக் நேம் வராங்க. உள்ள வைக்கலாமா வண்டி? Alright, so I'll go get changed and I will see you around in the review of the place that I'm gonna stay. Right, see you around.
இப்போ நீங்கள் ரூமுக்கு போகிறீங்களா இல்லை ரெஸ்ட் எடுக்கிறீங்களா?
ஒரு ரூம் கொடுத்தா போதும். நான் லக்கேஜ் எல்லாம் மேல் வச்சிடுறேன்.
ரைட் சார். ஸோ உங்கள் நேம், அட்ரஸ், மொபைல் நம்பர் சார். ரூம் நம்பர்
4078.
Hey guys, alright, so we reached Kanyakumari. So the hotel name is something I don't remember, but I'll let you know in the description a little later. And I'll just give you some context about how does our room look. So this is room number 407, and kindly ignore the mess because I had to come up and I have to rush to the temple. So I just did that. So this is a 4 bed, that's what they say, but it's going to be hard. So me and Tilak are there right now, but we'll see whoever is going to join a little later. So that is the plan. And most importantly, bathrooms, how are they? Bathrooms are pretty clean, pretty decent. And there's another washroom here, and there's another washroom and also a bathroom. So there is Mr. Rakshit Iyengar. And bikes have been parked down. So planning to head towards a different place tomorrow altogether, which you might have to wait and watch. Let's see how it goes. And this is from day one, and I wanted to fly drone, but I don't know, I was not able to do it. But if possible, I'll try to capture sunrise tomorrow. So kindly ignore the clarity. So that is what is Vivekananda statue. And there's another temple also, which is another part of the island. You need to go inside a bit sort of ship, and then they will drop you there. But it's already late. It's going to be wrapped by 2:45, 3 o'clock because the waves of it will be really stronger. So that's one of the reasons. Talk to you soon on the day 2. See you around. Bye. Stay tuned for the next update.